Hi everyone. So I recently had a consultation with a couple who were originally considering to go for international adoption. And as many of you know, this process could be incredibly stressful. There is so much legal compliance to juggle between the loss of the home country, the Canadian residency rules, the Hague Convention. So it's so much to carry, right? But during our talk, they had a very specific question. ਜੇ ਨਿਆਣਾ altruistic surrogacy ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, then will they be considered a biological child or an adopted child for the purpose of Canadian immigration? Now, it was such a specific and important question that I wanted to dive deep into the research and share this news with all of you. So, here is the key finding. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਿਆਣਾ ਸਰੋਗੇਸੀ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, then they will generally be considered as biological child rather than an adopted child for the purpose of sponsorship, as long as at least one intended parent has a verifiable genetic connection with the child. ਜਿਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ at least one parent used their own sperm or egg, then Canadian immigration law may consider your child as biological offspring for the purpose of the application. So IRCC mainly looks at the genetic link. ਪਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ surrogacy ਹੈ that should be altruistic in nature. That is, there should be no commercial transaction and ਬਿਨਾ ਲਾਲਚ ਦੇ surrogacy ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਉਹ legal and valid ਮੰਨੀ ਜਾਵੇਗੀ. However, there is a very important rule for those who are permanent residents in Canada, unlike those who are Canadian citizens. If you are a permanent resident, then you should be physically residing within Canada in order to initiate your sponsorship application. But ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਿਆਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਅਲੱਗ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟਰ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਦੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਉਹਦੇ ਬੇਸ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ। And you can also apply for their visitor record to extend their stay as a visitor unless their PR application is processed. And generally, in these scenarios, if you, that is the sponsor, receives acknowledgement of receipt for the PR application and the sponsorship, then ਉਹਦੇ base ਤੇ visitor visa ਦੀ fast processing भी हो सकती है. So we understand that navigating surrogacy and Canadian immigration could be a very emotional journey and involves complex paperwork. But knowing that your child could be considered as your biological kin from day one could provide a lot of peace of mind. So I hope this information helps. Thank you.